So we're going to talk a little bit about the cadence that we've found to be the most successful, and that's going to change from body of water, time of year, things like that with the rip fish. And really we're talking end of summer, you know, early fall, those first couple cold nights we've just had for the fall. And the fish are a little bit turned off, honestly. Like, we're seeing them on active target. Some of them aren't reacting the way we want them to. And so what we've done is kind of changed up our cadence to get them to start committing to the bait and then chasing it so we can get them to eat. And when you get just above the fish, we're stopping it and kind of just tapping that bait and letting that rip fish just vibrate and stay right above that fish. And then when you can see that fish turn, that's when you want to start playing a little bit of cat and mouse. You want to start reeling and doing slight little taps right here, and you'll get those fish to come maybe 5-10 feet, and the ones that want to commit then will eat that bait right away. Just tapping that bait, just a light little taps are producing a lot of fish on Spirit Lake.